Hello viewers, hope you all are doing great. On my channel Food Cyto, these days we are talking about gel formation in proteins. So in continuation to that, today I am going to discuss about theories of gel formation which are very important from examination point of view. There are three theories of gel formation, namely adsorption of solvent, 3D network formation and particle orientation. Let's begin with the first one, that is adsorption of solvent. So you have solute particles and there is adsorption of solvent over solute particles. And on cooling, what happens? There is increase in the layers of solute. That means there is formation of enlarged particles. And what will happen? These enlarged particles will enclose more solvent. That means the entire system would be immobilized and rigidity occurs. Now let's talk about the second one, that is 3D network formation. This theory postulates that compounds which are capable of gelation, they are either fibrous in nature or they can react with themselves to form a fiber. On cooling, these fibrous structures form 3D network. Now the question arises, how does this 3D network sustain? So there are a number of bonds involved, for example primary bonds, some secondary bonds and some non-localized interactions. So let's discuss about each of them. Primary bonds. Primary bonds are between functional groups and they yield a network which is of considerable permanence. That means the gel formed due to these bonds won't be easily dissociated by any mechanical means. For example, cutting or beating. Secondary bonds. They are lower in strength and thus gels are broken by small forces even. Now let's talk about the third one, that is non-localized attractive forces. Gel properties depend on a balance of forces. The solute molecules would attract one another at some spots, but they are separated by solvent, right? So this will result in gelation. But if the solvent molecules are too strongly attracted to solute molecules, that means solute molecules won't have any opportunity to attract with each other, so there won't be any gelation. On the other hand, if attraction of solute molecules with each other is so strong, then also there won't be any gelation, rather there would be precipitation. And the third theory, that is particle orientation, it postulates that solute and solvent molecules orient themselves in a definite spatial configuration through a long range of forces. So that's all about theories of gel formation. Stay tuned with Food Cyto for more such concepts and learning, and please like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Thank you for listening.